In the Hit Factory, we're teaching people how to be ball players. We're looking for ball players. That kid can be 5'8", but when he comes out of the game, he's got a snotty nose, he's got torn up knees in his uniforms, his elbows are bloody, he has left everything about his heart and his soul, he has given that to his team. That's a ball player.
The THF Ball Player Showcase is completely different than any other showcase you'd find throughout the world.
This is by far the best showcase I've been to. I don't think there's any other showcase where you get the same hands-on experience with Division I head coaches like you do here.
The Hit Factory firmly believes in the people that attend, and they want them to be better people.
I've learned that talent isn't always the key to get noticed by college coaches, but what kind of player you are, do you contribute to the team, are you a good student, do you have good character? It's all about what you bring to the team.
No matter how good an athlete you are, you remain a prospect until you commit yourself to helping the team win the game.
And at the Hit Factory, that's what we're teaching. We're teaching them about teamwork. We're teaching them about leadership. We're teaching them about giving to the team to make things work.
It's very much like the Navy SEALs. They're one team, but they're really in it for the guy in front of them and the guy behind them, to make sure they can do their job in that moment that they're needed to make the team successful.
Our NC2A coaches cover the entire United States from Division III to Division I. They don't just represent one school, they represent the United States educational system.
All you have to do is get on one main list. If they find out that you're going to be recruited by Tulane University or Columbia University or any of the schools represented here, a lot of other people are going to jump on the bandwagon because we become an endorsement. Well, if they're recruiting them, we better recruit them.
Our coaches do a good job of making sure that information gets out to the universities throughout the United States and the scouts throughout the United States.
What can we practice on? Did we miss ground balls? Did we miss fly balls? Did we throw to the wrong base? These are opportunities for learning. Isn't that what it's all about? Someone's going to win and somebody's going to lose, but everyone can win when it's about learning.
At the Hit Factory, we see baseball as a metaphor for life. They are developing life skills that go way beyond baseball and apply to everything that they're going to do in their life and how they're going to be an effective part of our society, which is much bigger and much more important than winning a baseball game.